Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you're updated on all new videos, and you can fill out the form in the description with any questions. Today we're talking about injured workers and what steps employers need to take when this happens. Whether you're in the transportation, construction, manufacturing, or warehouse industry, workplace injuries can happen anywhere. While prevention is the goal, having a work injury response plan is the most important part of keeping employees safe, minimizing downtime, and protecting your business. If an employee is injured, these 4 steps will help make the process seamless and keep you compliant. Step 1, create a written injury response policy that outlines who to notify, forms to complete, how to report the incident to HR and insurance, and steps for arranging medical treatment and transportation. Having a clear policy ensures everyone knows their role and reduces confusion during an emergency. Step 2, report incidents immediately and have employees notify their supervisor. Have supervisors help complete injury reports detailing the incident, when it happened, and any witnesses. And have HR log the injury, start the workers' compensation process, and notify the insurance provider. Quick reporting protects the employee's health and makes sure employers are compliant. Step 3, arrange prompt medical treatment, which helps employees recover faster and protects employers from liability. Transportation is often a concern, but as an employer, you just need to be sure injured employees are getting where they need to be safely, whether it be through company vehicles, Uber, or having a coworker drive them. And step 4, work with your insurance carrier. Most states, like Pennsylvania, allow employers to direct injured employees to a healthcare provider panel for the first 90 days. To comply, develop a panel of 6 providers, including 3 physicians, notify your workers' comp carrier immediately after an incident, and partner with experienced providers like us here at CNS Occupational Medicine for faster claims and better outcomes. If you have any questions or are interested in an occupational medicine partner, you can call, email, or fill out the form below to get in touch. That's all I've got. Again, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and send any questions using the form link in the description.